Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel so bored with your ringtone, don't need to be worried because Samsung Galaxy A36 provides a lot of ringtone with various genres that you can choose every day, so that you will not bored anymore. And how to change ringtone is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And then after that, now you can choose the ringtone from various genre and type, and I will choose this one. And then so yeah, the ringtone already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change ringtone, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.